Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EWSI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I don't believe I've ever done this one before, but I've had quite a few questions come in on it and request to do a video update. So here we are. We'll map some things out from the technical perspective. So those of you that want to know what's going on from the charting angle, I have an idea of what to keep an eye on. So first things first, just a beautiful trend on this one. The thing that really sticks out is how all these moving averages are upsloping, but along with the upsloping, they all are spaced out very nicely. And that's exactly what you want to see for a nice trending chart, is not only upsloping moving averages, but when they have these nice spacing between them, that's a nice little kind of like a cherry on top of things. So that's the first thing, is the overall context for this chart is definitely bullish, and that can be easily seen and represented by looking at these moving averages. So let's talk about some support levels. These are the levels that you ideally want to see hold. The first one that seems to have kind of dug in is right around this area here. We'll call it 0.073. This will be an ideal support level, meaning ideally you'd like to see this level hold, but if it doesn't, by no means should you go panic or anything like that, because you still do have plenty of other supports below you. The next level of support, and this one I'd call it a lot more important than that one above we just talked about. So I'll make this one a little thicker to represent it being more important. Is going to be right here, and we'll call that 0.49. Maybe just call it a nickel, just to make things easier. That's where the bottom of this gap up came down, and you can see there was a couple times where the bears try to push down below it, but by the closing bell, the bulls had fought all the way back. So 0.05, another important level of support. But really, in the grand scheme of things, from the overall picture, as long as the price remains above this purple line here, which is a 50-day simple moving average, the overall chart will remain bullish. In terms of resistance levels, there's two that stick out. The first one being right here, and this level seems to have been given the chart kind of a hard time the past couple of days. That's at 0.09, so this will be a level of resistance. While it is a resistance, I'm going to make that a skinnier line, because with another nice surge, I don't think it's going to put up much of a fight, but nonetheless it is still technically a level of resistance. And then the final level is just simply this previous high from a few days ago, which is right up there at what looks to be 10 cents. And no surprise there, the whole numbers like that usually are the stubborn level. So I'll make that line a little bit thicker, because I think that'll probably put up much more of a fight. But after this 10-cent level, the chart is back into blue sky breakout territory, and that's where you want to be. So all in all, like I said, great looking chart, great trend. So it'll just be a matter of seeing how long this current consolidation goes, and then seeing what happens with the chart. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was EWSI. Thanks for listening.